And Curbs of Death, because they switched wheels, and we're going to get a little match here, and then after that we're going to see if we can find a couple of kids in here to drive these blocks to another battle, and we're going to have some prizes for them based on the outcomes there. So if there's any children who'd like to come along and have a go at this, that's not correct, then you should hang around with us. Okay, I want to see a thumbs up from Wheels of Feelers and Curbs Death, whatever it was you were. Timer's ready, I know that. Drew's got it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, fight!
Oh, the suspense is killing me.
Oh, here we go.
Oh!
The spikes really matter.
Wheel Feelers is having a bit of trouble with Curbs of Death right now. It looks like Wheel Feelers is still pretty good. It's unfortunate. I'm completely impartial. It's not gone yet.
Oh no!
How are we on the time there, Greg?
We got 15 seconds.
We got 15 seconds of this tense battle. Come on.
He's posting up.
Come on, Curbs of Death.
There's less than 5 seconds.
I feel like Wheel Feelers is doing something they shouldn't be doing.
1.
That's right, they're winning.
Stop.
Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. We in official adjudication here, Greg. Do you mind taking a quick look here?
Where is the center? Where is your Arduino?
Right in almost right here.
Oh, look at you moving it closer to the centre than me. It's
Slightly closer to the center.
It's right here.
It's
slightly closer to the centre. No, it doesn't like it, mate. Oh no, wait. Well, where's the
I think you guys are closer.
I think they are.
Yeah.
I really think they
Yeah,
are.
because the center's right there.
You know what we're going to need to work this out? We're going to need a rematch. Where some kids control these bosses instead of you guys.
Get in here.
So let's reset a position. We got some kids. I need a shot.
Right here. No. You really need to be careful with what you shout. Somebody right here.
Raise your hand if you want to come. Come on.
Raise your hand. Hey, right here. Raise your hand. Go. There you go.
Okay, a little bit of a training period while we teach. While we teach them that it's just like a video game.
This one will make you go forward, this one is backwards, and then these two are left and right. So when you hit it, it just keeps moving, and then the S button is stop. If you get lost, you can only go one way at a time.
So I say we give them a few moments to try to drive around.
Take it for a test drive.
So have a practice drive. Make sure you're familiar with the controls.
stop, and it's the same way with your other hand. Have your other hand on the stop button. That way you're ready. You're perfect. You did awesome. Come on.
Okay, so here are the rules, kids.
Wait, you gotta do it now.
They're figuring
Oh,
Do it now.
you'll be fine.
Say he wants to.
You're gonna be fine.
You don't want to hold it down. You just D will take it back the other way. All right.
We're getting a substitution on one of the teams here. There's a team injury.
Come on this way. Come on, Michael. Go this way now. Try to put stuff on the box.
Okay, a little bit more training period. So we're going to have the same rules here.
This is backwards.
Knock out, just push them out.
Side
Says
to
the
side.
centre wins.
And then S is on
Only
stop.
slap.
You have your other hand on S to stop it. So when you push the button, so go ahead and drive around.
Once the operators are familiar with the controls, I want to see it.
I think you got it better than I do.
Are you, Team Curbs of Death, are you ready?
Not quite.
Team Wheel Feelers, are you ready?
Spikes on it.
Okay, you wait right there until Curbs of Death is set.
He's all ready to go.
How's our official timer?
Can we still
Official timer is ready.
The official timer is ready and the
No
operator's
cussing,
official
Charlie.
timer is...
No cussing.
That's pretty.
Earmuffs. Earmuffs.
Wait,
Oh,
earmuffs
yeah.
are penguins.
I'm with you.
Double check again, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Right.
What do you think?
I think we official adjudication is you lost. That's what I think. Sass me.
He was always meant to drive.
I'm the important announcer guy. Okay. On when I say go,
I like him.
you go. Do you know what you've got to do? Are you sure? Destroy the opposition. That's it. Simple as that.
The nicest way possible.
Destroy the opposition. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, here we go. Now these guys have never operated a bot before, so you know. I've got the feeling that one of them maybe has. I don't know. This is a rematch, by the way, because the last round the owners of the bots couldn't control them sufficiently to win, so we've had to hand it over to some professionals. This is no time to break dance. Come on, go for the knockout. Stop.
Actually, maybe it is time to break dance.
There's always time for break dancing.
I agree. We got 15 seconds.
Got 15 seconds. Currently, Curbs of Death is in the middle winning. No, wait, Wheel Feelers is winning. I can't tell. Come on. How many seconds have we got?
3,
head to the center, head to the center.
1.
Win the game.
Time, stop.
Oh, stop, wait, stop moving, stop moving. Stop moving. Whatever you do, don't edge closer to the center. Curbs of Death.
It's a tie.
I think it might be a tie.
That's an Arduino there.
They're destined to die.
You know, if it's a tie, Brian, what happens? Do they both get a shirt?
I mean, you're right.
I think they probably do.
I think you make them do it again.
Do you want to do it again?
It's a time.
Do you want to do it again?
Rematch. Rematch.
Okay, and then we're going to go for a rematch.
Yeah, because it was within an inch.
Of the edge. With your scientific measurement.
Hey.
Greg is a professional measuring tape in his spare time. He says it was within an inch. I take his word for it.
I can't be a professional in my spare time.
Yes, you can.
An amateur, man.
What if all your time is spent sleeping? Your spare time you make millions. Why are you inviting insults? Okay. Yeah, we got that straight. Okay, I want to see a thumbs up from the operators when you're ready to go. Are you ready? You're ready? You're ready? Okay.
I'm ready.
You remember the rules, right? Annihilate. 3, 2, 1, go! That was an early start. I'm going to allow it.
Oh, yeah.
Those wheels.
Those wheels really do.
Right now, Curbs of Death is winning. It looks like Wheel Feelers is really, really struggling to move them out of the way. For those who are late to the game, by the way, we're having... Oh!
There's a sudden upset.
There's a sudden upset. Push him out of the ring. Come on, here we go.